Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad Pro model and that it has a full USB-C/Thunderbolt port. This affects accessory compatibility. Next, plug your powered USB-C hub into the iPad using a short, high-quality USB-C cable to minimize voltage drop. Once connected, attach the hub's power supply to its PD input so peripherals get stable power. Make sure the hub supports the specific functions you need. For example, HDMI output, external with the hub powered and attached, plug in your devices. SSD or thumb drive into a USB port, HDMI cable to an external monitor, and Ethernet if you need wired networking. Once the iPad detects storage, open the Files app to browse and copy files, tap a connected drive to mount it. For cameras, use the Photos Import tool. If a peripheral needs power, make sure the hub supplies adequate PD wattage. Otherwise, the device may not initialize correctly. Finish by testing each function. Confirm HDMI shows the iPad screen or external display as expected, check keyboard input, and transfer a file to verify storage performance. If something doesn't work, disconnect non-essential devices, swap to a known good cable, and reboot the iPad. This isolates power or enumeration issues. If problems persist, ensure the hub's PD wattage meets your accessory's needs. Insufficient power is the most common cause. Finally, update iPad OS to the latest version to maximize compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.